1 pound melted butter. Now we're coming in with our liquid corn syrup. We're just gonna eyeball this. Cinnamon sugar for a sweet flavor. And I like to use a good amount of this. Cinnamon and sugar are always great additions to any sweet treat. Now we're using our flavorful salt alternative here. This I'm calling Pop Star popcorn because not only is it going to pop, but this is MSG, short for Madison Square Garden, where Taylor Swift had her wedding just recently. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give this a little toss. We're gonna start incorporating our kernels with our Skittles. Now we are using traditional Skittles as well as wild berries. And the fun part is there's gonna be a transfer of colors from our Skittles to our popped popcorn. When it gets popped and combined, it's going to be so beautiful, so fun. I cannot wait for you guys to see how this turns out. All right, we're just gonna smooth this into an even layer, making sure all of our kernels have contact with our Havabichi surface. And it is a little hotter in the middle, so I'm gonna try and move them towards that. Perfect. And since this is Pop Star popcorn, we're just gonna come in with some beautiful glitter sprinkles on top to finish the look. Alrighty, I'm just gonna close the lid on my Havabichi and let this pop. Oh yeah, it's working. Alrighty, y'all. Look at this delicious treat. Our candy corn, literal candy corn. This is not like the kind you get from Halloween. This is the corn that is candied. I'm gonna put just a little bit more sprinkles on top to make it extra pretty. Now I'm gonna get myself a delicious helping. Y'all, it smells like popcorn and Fruity Pebbles. So, so good. Oh my God. This is the new snack of the summer. Y'all gotta try it.